Mohammed Sohail is currently pursuing his undergraduate in Electronic and Communication Engineering. He is a co-chair at National Student Council NSC of IUCEE and serves as the Vice President of IUCEE EWB Hitham Student Chapter. He is a passionate about large-scale research and development. He is motivated and dedicated engineer. In fact, he has excellent experience in organizing IUCEE Student Summit 2021 and 2022 as a co-chair. He always strives to develop his skills and back himself and the people around him will be in a confidence manner. So his communication, presentation, leadership skills help him make his way into the professional world. So I welcome Mr. Mohammed Sohail to come on to the stage.
Very good morning to one and all. Very good morning to one and all present here. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to the InnoFista, a national event of IUCEE EWB Hitham Student Chapter, organized by Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management. Well, every time you walk around the streets and wonder how about the things and the structures and the vehicles around you, you should be thankful to the things called engineers. Science is about knowing and engineering is about doing. Creativity and the wealth of knowledge involves engineering. Engineering graduates are impacting world like any other. How you listen this quotation, which has a deep meaning, winners never quit and quitters never win. Well, I am Mohammed Sohail, currently pursuing my third year in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I serve for the co-chair for the National Student Council of IUCEE and Vice President for the IUCEE EWB Hitham Student Chapter. As the world is changing, engineers are the one who behind much of this development. For ages, engineering has turned imagination and fantasy into a tangible and useful something. Engineers must be critical yet creative, curious yet capable, as well as ready to handle the constantly changing the world. Engineering is not about ideas, it's about making things happen. But do you know what the real engineering is? Real engineering is not about studying 45 subjects and making a good percentage. It's all about working with the tools, mechanics and software and hardware, using the knowledge and the skills to provide innovation and to become an innovator. Theoretical knowledge is a foundation for education, while practical training helps the implementation for this every knowledge of real project. Practical application for the engineering students help them to improve their technical skills, but it also helps them in learning how to collaborate with a team, assisting them to improve their leadership abilities. Engineering is the application for the scientific principle. If the engineer is not practical, then it's not an engineering. So in Hitham, we believe that doing engineering is far better than studying engineering. Thank you.
The one who is truly meant by his words, Mr. Mohammed Sohail. Thank you for sharing an insightful information to us. All your sweet notes have filled our hearts with positivity and good vibes. By carrying these good vibes, let's start our two astonishing events, that is Hack Battle and Elocution. Before that, let's take a break. Rest your mind, calm your hearts and recharge yourself, because this energy isn't enough. We'll be right back, so stay tuned.